Hey everyone, it's Marley from sellhub.com and I'm here with the Motorola Defy. Right now we're going to take a look at how to text, email, and web browse on your new Motorola Defy, as well as how to look at the Android apps market. First, we'll take a look at text messaging. Now there are a couple ways you can access your messages on this particular phone. You can hit your home key here and just select messages, or we can go back to our home page and scroll over to our home screen that has the messaging icon. We'll click it, and to compose a new one, you'll click this green plus sign here, and it will give you the option to create a new message. We'll select text, and you can type in this orientation or this one. I prefer this one because it's a little bit bigger for the keyboard. And now we'll just begin typing the name of the person we'd like to send to. Now we'll send to my friend Josh, so I'll type J-O, and Josh comes up. We'll select Josh, we'll hit next, and then you're allowed to enter your message. So we'll say hi, and we'll hit space. Another neat thing about this phone is called swipe technology. This means that you don't have to carefully tap out each individual letter. You can simply drag your fingers over the letters that you're looking for, and it will pull up either the word that you spelled or a couple different options. So we'll try to swipe hello. So we'll start on the H, go to the E, pause on the L, and go to the O. And there's hello. Now don't lift your finger when you're swiping or they'll think that the word is over. It's a lot faster this way. I really prefer it. I make a lot of mistakes when I try to tap type on these screens. So swipe is really useful for someone like me. So hi, hello, how are you? Now we have a couple options. We can hit the menu key here, and you can insert a photo or a video or sound. You can delete this if you don't want to send it, or we can take a look at our options and request a delivery report. Now we don't need to do any of those things, so I will just hit send, and we are done. Now we'll take a look at emailing. To get to your email, I'll go into my full screen menu and I will select my Gmail here. Now to compose, you just do the same thing as a text, type who you'd send. You have a subject option here. You also have to compose. The menu is the same. Send, you can add another person, attach something, edit your subject, or discard. So we'll just discard, you hit OK. Great, easy enough. To compose again, you just click your menu and hit compose. You can also search through your email using this key. So now we'll go back to our homepage and talk about web browsing. To access your web browser, you have the same option as messages. You can either go over here to your browser or you can use your full screen menu, but we'll just use it here. We'll tap here, and this will pull up my mobile to go homepage, which you see here. Now you'll see that this has a Google search, which I am currently in right now, and here's my homepage. This is the web to go. This is totally customizable to have any icons that you'd like here. Now they've put the most useful and commonly used here for you, so this may actually be okay. If you don't want to go to Google and search something, you can click here in this address line and just type your own. And you have the option just to use type text, or you can swipe. So I'm going to swipe right now. And I'm going to have it sell for me. We're going to go to hub.com. And I made a mistake, so it tells me all my options. I just select com, and I hit go. Great. Now as that loads, we'll talk about the menu button on the web browser. You can open a new window, you can bookmark a favorite page, you can look at all your windows you currently have open, you can stop something from loading, go forward and back, you can find, you can add a shortcut, you can share a page, you can look at your settings. There's all sorts of options on the web browser. So now we'll go back to our home page and we'll take a quick look at the marketplace. You can access the marketplace in the full screen menu or by scrolling over and finding the market application here. You'll click it, and this is your Android marketplace. You have the option to look at your apps, your games, apps that you already have, or search for something in particular. So let's just click apps for now. Now you can search by type of application that you're looking for. We'll right now take a look at entertainment. And now they sort them for you by the top paid, the top free, and what's new. You'll see here on the right that there's a review on a 5-star rating and then how much it costs. Now we'll look at free right now because that sounds great. So look at top free, and there's so many free applications on here that you should be able to find something useful that doesn't cost you anything. You can look at your movies on Flickster. There's all sorts of things for you to have funny jokes every day. The apps market is endless. All right, well that's a quick look at texting, emailing, web browsing, and your Android marketplace. Thanks for joining us.